Hey guys, in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi A1 which is running the latest Android 8.0 Oreo versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro which is also running the latest Android 8.1 Oreo. So both of the smartphones are amazing smartphones, and the Redmi Note 5 Pro has the latest Snapdragon 636 processor while the Mi A1 has the Snapdragon 625 processor. And I recently updated my Redmi Note 5 Pro to Android 8.1. So definitely I will be also doing a speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 5 Pro Android 7.1.2 Nougat versus Android 8.1 Oreo. But as of now, it's time to see if the Mi A1 can hold up against the Redmi Note 5 Pro running the official Android 8.1 firmware. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with booting up both of them in 3, 2 and 1. In case you don't know, the Mi A1 is having Google's Android 1 firmware while the Redmi Note 5 Pro is having MIUI 9 on the top of Android 8.1. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. And yeah, we have the Android 1 branding right here. So wow, that was amazing. That was really amazing, guys. That was a very minute difference. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is the clear winner here, guys. And if you guys don't know, when the Redmi Note 5 Pro was running Android 7.1.2 Nougat, that time it actually lost against the Mi A1 in terms of booting speed. And now you can see the performance difference, the speed difference. And that is one of the reasons why I do the speed test comparison after updating an Android smartphone. As you can see, both of the smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, there are no applications running in the background, and I have only installed the applications that will be used for testing. So yeah, let's start with opening the system dialer in 3, 2 and 1. So I think the Redmi Note 5 Pro was faster here. Let me know in the below comment section if I am wrong, because you are the one to decide. And let's open the Messenger in 3, 2 and 1. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro faster again because the animations were quite slow in the Mi A1. Now let's open the camera application in 3, 2 and 1. What I think is both were same, no difference at all. Now let's open the settings in 3, 2 and 1. So definitely the Redmi Note 5 Pro faster again. The animations are pretty fast in the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now let's open few third-party applications in games. There we will see the real speed test difference. So let's open the social applications, first of WhatsApp in 3, 2 and 1. The Mi A1 faster. Now let's open Snapseed. Okay, so both were same, no difference at all. Or let's show Snapchat. Okay, so Mi A1 wins again. Let's open the Instagram. So what I think is Redmi Note 5 Pro was definitely a bit faster here. Now let's open Facebook. As you can see, Redmi Note 5 Pro way faster than the Mi A1. Okay, so let's open the Fruit Ninja game in 3, 2 and 1. Let's see which one wins this race. And the Redmi Note 5 Pro ahead of the Mi A1. Okay, so the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins again. Alright, so let's open the Subway Surfers in 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so let's see which one wins this race. And the Redmi Note 5 Pro actually started loading the game first. Okay, so the winner is clearly visible. Okay, so now let's open the PUBG. There we will see the real speed difference, and in 3, 2 and 1. So both started the game at the same time. The Mi A1 is actually doing a great job as compared to my previous speed test of the Redmi Note 5 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro clearly wins, there is no doubt in that. But that is actually great. The Mi A1 actually did a great job, really great job. So I don't think there's a need of doing the RAM management test because both of the smartphones are one of the great smartphones, and I know they will hold up all the applications running in the background. So definitely I don't think there's a need of doing the RAM management test. And the Mi A1 is actually quite a great smartphone, guys. I was really not expecting Mi A1 to perform that well in front of the Redmi Note 5 Pro Android 8.1. And one of the most important thing, the Redmi Note 5 Pro actually booted up faster than the Xiaomi Mi A1, and that is really a great thing, guys. If you haven't seen my previous speed test between the Xiaomi Mi A1 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro Android 7.1.2 Nougat versus Android Oreo, go check that out, because at that time the Redmi Note 5 Pro actually lost against the Mi A1 in terms of booting speed and in terms of few applications opening speed. In a day or two I will be making the Redmi Note 5 Pro Android 8.1 versus Redmi Note 5 Pro Android 7.1.2 Nougat. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching again. Peace out.